While picking vegetables in the countryside with her grandmother, Ni Zigwang is advised to be discerning when choosing a boyfriend, ensuring she picks someone responsible. This advice feels familiar. She recalls Lin Yusing telling her that she is excellent and that she should simply enjoy the process of being pursued rather than feeling burdened. Her grandmother also mentions that she and her grandfather have been saving money specifically for Zigwang funds they've insisted on taking from her father, Ni Genuine, to ensure it doesn't end up with outsiders. Back at the house, Zigwang helps tend the fire to cook wood-fired rice. Over the meal, her grandmother complains about Ni Genuine being arrogant and overly obsessed with modernity, contrasting him with Zigwang's mother, Jiang Yu. While she praises Jiang Yu as a good daughter-in-law, she notes that Jiang Yu is too decent and fails to properly manage her husband. The grandmother humorously warns Zigwang that men shouldn't be reasoned with but rather managed until they submit, even offering to teach Zigwang these skills once she has a boyfriend. As her vacation ends, Zigwang returns to Shuangdian feeling anxious about facing Lin Yusing. After a heavy snowfall, the company organizes a group effort to clear the photovoltaic panels. To avoid awkwardness, Zigwang works with frantic efficiency on the roof. Her colleague Yin Jie notices her unusual intensity and jokingly asks if she is being chased by a ghost. During a subsequent meeting, Lin Yusing suggests making the annual gala more relaxed, proposing prizes like a week of paid leave. He tasks Yin Jie and Zigwang with scouting venues and purchasing prizes. While scouting hotels, Yin Jie points out Zigwang's strange behavior since returning from Shanghai, noting how she stared at her own feet in the elevator when Lin entered and worked like a madwoman during the snow clearing just to avoid him. Before Zigwang can explain, she receives a call from Dr. Fang, who invites her to dinner. Zigwang assumes Dr. Fang is unaware of Lin's confession, but he quickly proves her wrong. He tattles on his junior fellow, calling Lin a heartless person who hung up on him. He reveals Lin's long-term schemes, from staying at the hospital to provide surgical advice just to be near her, to tricking her into attending the wedding. Dr. Fang teases Zigwang for being picky if she doesn't like someone as passionate as Lin. After the meal, Dr. Fang leaves for a night shift, having already arranged for Lin Yusing to pick Zigwang up. When Lin arrives, he refuses to let Zigwang pay the bill, stating that since he has put his cards on the table, he cannot let her pay. As they walk back, Zigwang admits she knows about his wedding scheme and realizes he is just as direct as she used to be. In a moment of vulnerability, she blurts out that things might have been better if she had met him first, a comment she immediately regrets. Noticing her dark circles, Lin apologizes for scaring her with his sudden confession. They agree to stop the avoidance game, and Lin invites her to overtime at the construction site for Plant 2. At the site, Lin asks Zigwang in her capacity as a shareholder for advice on a vacant plot of land. Zigwang suggests transforming the rigid industrial space into a photovoltaic eco-garden, a leisure area with plants, adjustable PV panels for shade, and a small cafe for the workers. Lin loves the idea and puts Zigwang in charge of coordinating the project with other departments. Zigwang soon finds herself overwhelmed. She meets with the engineering department and is questioned by Hua Shengyi about whether to use BIPV, integrated, or BAPV, additive, systems. To keep up, she spends her nights studying the technical differences. Yin Jie watches her struggle, noting that she seems to be switching between the roles of a demanding client and a hard-working contractor. Meanwhile, the company decides to change the cafeteria contractor. After screening, 3 candidates remain. It is decided that 2 employees from each department will draw lots to participate in a taste testing vote. During the draw in the management depth, Lin Yusing joins in. Zigwang and Lin are the last 2 remaining, and Zigwang ultimately draws the slip that names her the department's official food lover for the event.